What is the phone number for Relay Financial Technologies? This is a question that many people have been asking lately, and I'm here to answer it for you. In this video, I will be discussing what Relay Financial Technologies is, how to contact them, and what services they offer. I will also be sharing some tips on how to get the most out of your experience with Relay Financial Technologies. What is Relay Financial Technologies? Relay Financial Technologies is a leading provider of financial technology solutions. They offer a wide range of products and services, including Relay Pay, a mobile payment platform that allows you to send and receive money instantly. Relay Invest, a platform that allows you to invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Relay Lend, a platform that allows you to borrow money quickly and easily. Relay Protect, a platform that allows you to protect your financial assets from fraud and theft. Relay Financial Technologies is committed to providing its customers with the best possible financial technology solutions. They are constantly innovating and developing new products and services to meet the needs of their customers. How to contact Relay Financial Technologies? There are a few different ways to contact Relay Financial Technologies. Phone, you can call Relay Financial Technologies at 1-800-555-1212. Email, you can email Relay Financial Technologies at email-protected. Website, you can visit the Relay Financial Technologies website at https://relayfi.com. What services does Relay Financial Technologies offer? Relay Financial Technologies offers a wide range of financial technology solutions, including Relay Pay, a mobile payment platform that allows you to send and receive money instantly. Relay Invest, a platform that allows you to invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Relay Lend, a platform that allows you to borrow money quickly and easily. Relay Protect, a platform that allows you to protect your financial assets from fraud and theft. Tips for getting the most out of your experience with Relay Financial Technologies. Here are a few tips for getting the most out of your experience with Relay Financial Technologies. Do your research. Before signing up for any of Relay Financial Technologies' products or services, be sure to do your research and understand the risks involved. Read the terms and conditions carefully. Make sure you read the terms and conditions of any product or service you sign up for carefully. Ask questions if you have any concerns. If you have any questions about Relay Financial Technologies' products or services, don't hesitate to ask. Conclusion. Relay Financial Technologies is a great company with a lot to offer. If you're looking for a reliable and innovative financial technology provider, I highly recommend them. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching, and until next time.